How are you?
What took you so long to answer the door?
Sorry, I was sleeping.
You were sleeping?
Yes.
Okay.
Have you been calling me?
I've been knocking for a while.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You want to relax? You can go inside now.
No, I'm okay. I just want to relax here.
You want to relax here? How now? Just come. I already prepared the bed for you.
No, I just want to sit here for some time.
Come now. So you can have your bath then, relax inside.
I'll have my bath later. Don't worry about
it.
it.
Now. Come on, go inside now. Go inside.
I don't want to go inside.
Are you sure?
Yes, please. Maybe you should just go get me something to drink,
Can you assist me?
Assist you with what?
Let's go to the kitchen and play.
Babe, I'm just coming back from work. I'm very tired. Can you get me water to drink?
Babe, my legs pain me. Can you escort me? Follow me now. Just follow me, baby.
You're acting very strangely.
Strange?
Yes.
No, I'm okay. I'm good.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
Why are you sweating this much?
Sweating? They took the lights a few minutes ago, so I mean the AC.
Babe, is there something going on?
Not something. Nothing.
Are you sure?
I'm okay, babe. Let's just go inside.
Is this? Come, hold on. Is everything okay?
Everything is okay.
Are you sure there's nothing you want to tell me?
Tell you?
Is there someone else in this house?
No.
Are you sure?
Why are you? Your questions are strange. You've not sounded this way before.
Babe.
Yes, baby.
I want you to be truthful to me. There is nothing that I hate more than telling lies.
Have I told you?
You know that, right?
I have not.
Exactly, and that's why we have been very cool all this time.
It's okay. Just come.
Just tell me the truth. Is there anything you need to let me know?
Anything? I am okay. Yesterday I needed money and I told you
about it. That's not what I'm talking about. There's no one else in this house with you.
No, just you and I.
Are you going to pretend that there isn't someone hiding behind that curtain?
Where? Nobody's here. You are trying to make me feel bad, and I have BP.
Babe,
you want my BP to come up?
Listen to me. Before I knocked the door, I walked in. The door was actually open.
I was feeling sleepy.
I walked in here already. Yes. So I know there's someone else in this house.
Nobody's here, babe. Now come.
Are you seriously doing this?
Nobody's here. Just you and I.
Leave me alone. Hold on.
You want to go outside?
Come out. What is going on here? Come out. Good evening, sir. Good afternoon, sir. What are you doing in my house? Who are you? Who are you?
Plumber guy.
I'm a plumber guy. I came to fix your pipe. Your wife called me and told me that the one at the toilet is leaking. So
you came to fix the pipes?
Yes, baby.
So why were you lying? Why did he have to hide?
I'm sorry about that, but the reason why I did that was because I don't want you to feel bad. Because I never told you about him, so I decided to, cover up. I'm sorry.
So you're a plumber?
Yes, sir.
Where are your tools?
Okay, I came to inspect it first before going back. At least let me know the exact problem the pipe has, so that if I go there, I bring the exact tools.
Yes, exactly.
Yes,
baby.
Is that so?
It's okay. Yes. So you come tomorrow.
Yes. As early as 6:30. Yes.
All right, sir.
Yes.
Okay, please. You can go.
All right, sir. You're welcome, sir. As early as 6:30.
Please try and come, all right?
No problem.
It's okay.
Next time, if you're bringing someone into the house, you should let me know.
I'll do that next time, okay? I'm sorry.
Okay, it's fine. Let me go and take a bath. Please prepare something for me to eat.
Okay. But I don't trust him. I don't trust him. He knows something is wrong. What am I going to do now? Oh God, I'm not going to feel comfortable in this house. God. Just
Hey, is the food not ready yet? Honey? Why are you just sitting here with your bag? Are you traveling? What's going on?
I want to go.
Go where?
I want to go back to my father's house. I'm not feeling comfortable again. Like,
what's going on? Why are you not feeling comfortable?
I'm feeling guilty. My conscience is doing me somehow. I want to go.
Guilty? Guilty of what?
I don't know how you're feeling as well, but maybe you came back and you saw me. You said you saw me and a man now. Didn't you see me and that man?
I saw a man in the house now, but you said he's the plumber, and so why is that a reason for you to pack your bag?
So you're okay with it? You're okay with what you saw?
No, I'm okay with what you told me.
But you told me you came in before you actually knocked on the door. So you saw something now that is making you to feel...
Are you telling me now that what you told me is not what it was? Because I had to believe what you told me. Do you want to change your story? Huh? Talk now.
I want to change my story.
Okay. So tell me the truth.
That man is not actually a plumber.
So who is he?
My lover.
Your lover? Are you mean to tell me that you brought your lover into my house?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
For how long now?
1 month.
1 month? Wow. Well, I'm not going to pretend that I'm not hot. But what can I do? People are cheats now. It's people's nature to cheat. What's the guarantee that if I leave you and jump to another person that I will not end up with a worse cheater than you? I just have to pray that God will touch your heart and you will change from these ways. But that's not a reason for you to pack your bags and say you want to leave. Bring it. I love you. Okay? You're not going anywhere. We're here together, you and I.
I should not go.
No. Go where? Don't worry. Go and make something for me to eat.
We had intimate.
Okay, it's fine. Don't worry, we'll talk about that one later. Make food for me to eat.
No, I'll still go. I'll go. He did not even shout. He's supposed to be shouting. He's supposed to put this roof. No. I'll go back to my father's house. So, normal man should shout. He should even slap me. He don't even do anything. No, I cannot stay. He must shout before my mind will calm down. He must shout at me before I calm down. Oh, me, I cannot leave this kind of thing. I cannot do this thing. No. Baby, come and shout.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.